Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I am a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to say the ch sound. Some people call this the CH sound because the letters C and H usually make the ch sound when you're reading. To say the ch sound, you're going to need to know about a special spot in your mouth called the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is a bumpy section right behind your front teeth. It looks like this. You're going to need to put the tip of your tongue right about here on these bumps. The back sides of your tongue are going to be touching your back molars. So get your tongue ready. When your tongue is in the right spot, you're going to round your lips and press your tongue forward to release a quick burst of air. Just like that. Here's another way to think of it. Get your tongue in the right spot with your tongue tip feeling that bumpy alveolar ridge. Get your lips ready so your mouth is in position, and then release the burst of air. Just like that. So you're kind of building pressure, building that air pressure behind your tongue. And then you release it out into the sound. I like to tell my students, tongue up, lips round, burst of air. You try. You try. How did you do? Okay, now you're going to practice 10 times. Remember, tongue up, lips round, burst of air. You're going to see mouths that look like this. Every time you see the mouth, say your ch sound. Great job practicing! Thank you for watching my video. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. If you think you need a little more practice, you can play the video again. To the speech pathologists and parents watching this video, I wrote a book called I Can Say the CH and J Sounds. This is one of the pages from the book. It takes you step by step through how to produce the sounds and has lots of practice activities. You can download a digital copy of that book at peachiespeechie.com and use it today.